Hey guys, and welcome back to my parents' kitchen. The only real way to eat broccoli is covered in cheese and bechamel sauce. Today we are making a broccoli gratin. With that being said, let's go. We will see all of our ingredients later on, but for now, all that you need to know is that we need broccoli, salt, nutmeg, cheese, oil, milk, pepper, and flour. And now we'll move on to our first step, which will be to grate our cheese. For our cheese, we need a plate, and let's start to grate. It's up to you what cheese you want. I have 400 grams. That's all you need to know. 400 grams of grated cheese. We are nearing the end. Watch out for your fingertips. And there we go. 400 grams of cheese on our plate. We're gonna clean up all of this mess, put it in a bowl, grab all of that cheese off. All of our cheese is in the bowl. We'll go clean up and move on to our next step. And now nutmeg. Not too much, just a bit. One pinch like that. And now nutmeg can go away and our broccoli could come in the way. And now let's cut them up, baby. We want them about the same sizes. So stork for a dog and cut from the inside. One last swoop and one last broccoli. For my 400 grams of cheese, I am using 1 kilo of broccoli. Of course, if you want it healthier, you can add some more cheese. One last swoop, head can go away. And now, let's move on to more prep. And now 4 liters of water to cook our broccoli, 40 grams of salt, heat on high, and we will shake our water to a boil. Our water is shaken to a boil. Now we will add in all of our broccoli. Watch out, it's really hot. We'll do a tourne-raton to equalize our broccoli. And now it's easy as 1, 2, 3. Like and subscribe, it's free. After 3 minutes, our broccoli is nice and pre-cooked. We will grab it, turn the heat off, and bring it all over here. I will not be cooling down my broccoli under cold water. It will make our gratins really spongy. Make sure you remove most of the water possible and place them so they can all cool down naturally. Our broccoli is well strained and inside. It's all here. Our water can go away and our broccoli can go chill until it's all chilled, and we'll move on to our bechamel. For our bechamel, our pot can come right here, and we will add 1 liter of milk. And back on the table. To never mess up your bechamel, my dad taught me this really simple technique. So, flour, 4 soup spoons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oil and a whisk. Slowly incorporate the oil with the flour. Bring the flour together and stir until well combined. For the quantities, it's about half-half. Some may consider this technique cheating, but don't worry, it tastes just as good as the real thing. We have that nice, thick consistency, nice and homogeneous, no clumps. And now we're ready to heat up our milk. We are now ready to start our level 1 difficulty bechamel. Heat on high, and now we'll wait for 1 liter of milk to boil. Our milk is starting to bubble just a bit. It's not quite boiling just yet. We'll add in some nutmeg, just a bit more. We'll add some turmeric, incorporate for it to infuse nicely. Some salt, just a tad, and just a bit of pepper. Incorporate them all together, let it all infuse well. Our milk is boiling. Our secret magic weapon can go in. Add about half to start off and just whisk. After whisking for about 30 seconds, we will turn the heat down to medium. We're not quite at that consistency just yet that we're looking for. We will add in the rest of our flour oil mixture. And with the heat still on medium to medium low, incorporate it all in. After a good 30-45 seconds of constant stirring, we have that nice thick consistency. We can turn our heat off and we'll start building our beautiful gratins. Before we build, we need a foundation. On a tray, grab your plates, 1, 2, and 3. Mix it all one last time. And so that all of our broccoli get coated in bechamel, we will do 1 pass inside to start off. Beautiful thick consistency. All of our broccoli cooled down, and now we build. Up to you how much time you want to spend making it aesthetic. We are quite hungry, so we'll go quite fast. So that everyone's kind of happy, we'll try our best to make them all evenly portioned out. Couple pieces here and there, and the rest can go on top. No waste. And in the sink. Back to our bechamel. Bring it back to life, and don't be cheap with the bechamel. I'm doing 3 right now, but we'll do 3 later. Hence why I have over 1 liter of bechamel. There we go. Moving on to our cheese. Cover very well. Of course, it's always up to you what kind of cheese you want to put on top. Coat it all well. For a kick of spice, just a bit of issou. A video will come out soon about how to make issou. Not only will it give more flavor, but it will give a nice red tint to our cheese. Like this. Our bad boys can go in the oven for 2 to 3 minutes on grill. Be patient, it's almost done. And close. After 2 minutes, it should be done. Get those bad boys out of the oven, and incredible. Oven closed, heat off. and let's investigate what we have. Our cheesy boys are done. Let's look at what we have. And pro tip, always cook your gratins on a tray. It's easier to cook your tray than the oven, so tray in the sink. Here is my broccoli gratin. Incredible consistency. The broccolis are well cooked, the cheese is melted. This recipe is guaranteed to bring world peace. And with that being said, let's go. And there we have it, our recipe is done. Thank you guys all so much for watching my video. I really suggest that you try out this recipe. It will change your world. And with that being said, I will see you guys in the next one. See ya, bye.